Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today what we're going to learn? Today I'm going to teach you something very beautiful subject or topic is about printing. How do we print? Now we have views, okay, let's say we have a couple of views here, okay, let's say I'll make a couple of them more. Let's say duplicate with detailing. It's just creating same thing, copy paste, okay. Okay, let's say we have view 1. I'm just renaming, okay, let's say one view. Okay, what's the beauty of this? Okay, what's the beauty of this? Okay, just a second, because this is in REVIT, no? Yeah. Which project are we in? The HVAC project. Okay, here we had only this one. We don't want to see, let's say we do not want to see these pipes. We do not want to see these pipes. Okay, this is the link file, that's the problem, isn't it? Okay, no worries. What we can do is, I tell you what we can do. We can create a section box. View. Scope box. Okay. Yeah. Just a second, okay, we're just thinking of something beautiful. Delete. 1 minute. We have something called as section box, just not able to find it. Where you're able to divide a plan range, or no, it's different view range. Just a second, okay. Crop view. Yes, this is the one. I think John is becoming old now, isn't it? Okay, just give me a story here. Okay, so in this view, copy 1 dash copy 1 doesn't make name sense. Let's say rename. Where is rename? West wing. Okay, so we can just change anything. Let's say again we go crop view. John, take it easy. Okay, and then what we can do is just crop this, because we have duplicated. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so let's say this is the central view. Let's say rename. Okay, I hope this much is clear. Okay, now let's say we have these two things. Now what we will do is, now we need to create new sheets. Okay, you can right click, create new sheet. Okay, and this title block, this is prepared. Okay, so click this. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, for some reason I will just keep it for privacy reason. I'm just hiding the title block, the contents. Okay, then what you'll do is, listen, now we've created one title block. Okay, if you want, create one more based on this one. Okay, and you'll rename it. Okay, just keep it for privacy reason. Okay, okay, then what you will do is, okay, because it's one of my client's drawings, I don't want to be hidden, I don't want to be displayed. Okay, now I want to add a view to this. Okay, I show you one beautiful alien trick. Okay, select the view, right click, add view. Okay, and then he asks you which view you want to add. We agreed that we want to add west wing or central, whichever. I can say add view. Beautiful. Okay, let's see if I had this is 1:200. If you want 1:50. Oops. Okay, you get the picture. So we make it 1:100. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to place it like this. Okay, this is clear. Okay, then we will place another one, whichever. Okay, right click, add to view, or what we can do is, listen, I do it this way, so this isn't going to be difficult to see. Right click, add to view, add view to sheet. Okay, if you want to change the scale, you can change the scale. Now this is too big, so 1:100. Okay, I hope this much is clear. So now we've created views. Okay, and just call a good habit to rename it. Don't keep it like this. No, meaningless. No, what you will do is, okay, number is okay, and let's say view name was what did we add? Central view. Give some beautiful name. Okay, and actually this will be updated here. As if you go down, you will be able to see it. It's updated. Okay, so similarly rename whatever. Okay, what is it? West wing. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, we said west wing. No? Yeah. Okay, actually after this you would be seeing everything gets updated. Okay, west wing, scale, everything is updated. Okay, so I hope this much is clear for you. Okay, this is what we did in the, isn't it? This was the story, the last project. Anyway, our aim was not to draw the project. My aim was to show you how to convert a REVIT file into a PDF. Okay, this is first part of the story. This is how we add a title block, etc., etc. Okay, now what you're going to do is, I'm going to do file, plot, print. Okay, and then what you're going to do, generally it will be something like this. Just click PDF report. Okay, I tell you some habits, good habits. Okay, generally this will not be clicked, it will be current view or something. Just go and click select views or sheet, and then click select. Okay, and then whichever view you need, let's say you need separate sheet, click one. You want both together, click together. Okay, so if you filter, it becomes like this. Okay, and then click OK. Do you want to save? Generally I would say no. Okay, why you don't ask? You have chosen to print two sheets as separate files. You can say no, because there is one setting to combine them. See here, combine multiple sheets into a single file. Say no, say combine. Okay, and then say OK. Okay, and then he does the whole story and says open, and yeah. Okay. Okay, so then you can see it. Okay, I'm just kept it so zoom just not to see the content. If you would like to see zoomed version, just a second. Okay, just block this out. Yeah, then you can see the zoom. Okay, so it doesn't work. Okay, anyway. Okay, this is PDF created 1, PDF created 2. Okay, so I hope anyway everybody enjoyed this project. Okay, the project was to create how to convert PDF. What you will do is, first you're going to duplicate the views. Okay, duplicate means what you need, you know what's the meaning of duplicate. Okay, so first you need to do your homework, and then come down, and then first you need to clean your vegetables, and then you start cooking. Okay, after you cook, ready to serve, print. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. See you everybody in the next class, fresh and energized. Yalla, keep moving forward. Yalla, bye.